Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. Today we're taking the Heliway K 1811, the Motivator, out to the skate park because I realised last year that when I got this and I did the unboxing and I took it out to the sandpits at Borsey, I didn't take it to the skate park, which to me seems to be its natural environment. This thing is super fast, it's super fun, and we'll see how it runs today. I'm going to ask you to do the usual things: like, comment, subscribe, check you got the notification bell on, check you're still subscribed, because YouTube's been doing that thing where it's unsubscribing people again. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Oh, flipped it. Usual Sharky driving first thing in the morning. Let's take it over here. It looks a bit muddy because of the weather and the storms we've had over the last few days. And as per usual, don't land it. Now that's going to be interesting. I have to come at it from the other way. That's one of the good things about the design of this skate park. It makes it easy enough to do that. Right, let's see if I can get it back on its wheels. Oop. Yay. Oh, not back on its wheels, but hopefully we've got a good jump in there. Hopefully everybody's okay. Say, bashing is not my number one sport. Right, let's see if I can get this set up. Oh. One thing I have noticed with this is the switch is a little bit, and obviously we've got a slick park this morning. Just wondering whether the lack of grip is what's causing the issues at the minute, because I'm as soon as I put the full power down, it's hopefully that works. So it's certainly got the power, but I don't think at the minute I'm getting the power down because of the as soon as I go full throttle, it jumps fairly well, but as soon as I go full throttle, it's oh, that was a cool stunt. Hopefully that all worked on camera. Bit of a tank slapper there. Up. Did I get it on its wheels over the back here, or did I not? Yay! Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Straight into my foot. But yeah, the skate park's mildly moist, so as soon as we get that full power down, it's breaking traction and turning it into more of a drift truck, which is not what this is. This is a basher. And drove out nicely. There we go. So I'm more of a crawler driver, and even with two hands, you know, I'm no Tom Lee RC. I can't drive one-handed very well. I think you can see that this thing is pretty sturdy. Oh, broke a bit of bumper off. Don't leave trash around, pick up the rubbish. Not sure where that came from. Oh, don't even know if that's even part of this, but because that looks like the front's okay, the back's okay, all the steering arms are okay. So I think if this was drier, I might have to try and bring it out here again sometime in the summer. But as it is, I still have to be out here at like silly AM before all the kids get here to use the skate park. Because I know that this gets used quite a bit by the kids on the way to school. Oh. Yeah, got a fair amount of control there, because you saw there I was able to weave in and out of some of those pillars and drove it out. I may be able to do things and learn to backflip this. This might be the truck that I can learn to do that with. Oh, that sounded like a hard landing. And on its wheels. Oh, right, let's take it over this side here and try and get see what I mean about grip. Let's see if I can. No. See, that's pegged it. And because it's obviously a four-wheel drive, this thing has got the right, folks. With that, we'll call it a day. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all next time. A little bit of bonus footage